All right, let's dive into the world of SEO with some jaw-dropping success stories that will blow your mind. Imagine businesses defying all odds and skyrocketing their online visibility through the power of SEO. Today, we're going to unveil the insider secrets behind these remarkable achievements. SEO, or search engine optimization, plays a crucial role in determining a business's online success. It's all about optimizing your website to rank higher on search engine results pages, driving more organic traffic and potential customers to your site. Many businesses face common struggles and challenges in their quest to improve their SEO performance. From fierce competition to ever-changing search algorithms, the journey can be daunting. Let's explore how these successful businesses overcame obstacles and achieved remarkable results in the highly competitive world of SEO. They implemented specific strategies and techniques that set them apart from the rest. One key moment or strategy often stands out as the turning point that led to a breakthrough in SEO results for these businesses. Whether it was a revolutionary approach to keyword research, a game-changing content strategy, or a brilliant link-building campaign, these businesses found the winning formula. In conclusion, the key takeaways from these SEO success stories highlight the importance of effective SEO practices. Consistent effort, strategic planning, and staying ahead of the curve are essential for long-term success in the digital landscape. Now it's your turn to share your own SEO success stories with us in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insider tips and tricks on mastering the art of SEO. Together, we can unlock the secrets to SEO success and take our online presence to new heights.